Excuse me. Right now, I got the So Slick. Cilantro. Excuse me. All right, this is my. Excuse me. Super quick. Excuse me. Shit. Excuse me. I'm charging my light. Gabby, thank you for. Excuse me. Yeah. Going love, thank you.
It's true.
We're outside Sephora. Excuse me. Excuse me. Funny. Excuse me.
After she gets
Excuse me. Excuse me. Sometimes I do it at home.
So experience Schizo Kitty on
Excuse me. I forgot the one I use that is really good. Whoa! Excuse you guys.
It's here for you.
Right now they have a special that's buy one. Oh my god, why? It's your choice, so. Oh my god, I keep burping.
That, you know, everything is on social media. And everybody texting. They got group chat.
Excuse
Like,
me.
can we say this, man?
probably because I just woke up.
You just woke up. That's what it is. So, get your Stanley from Sheen Girl. Alright guys, this is what... Are you guys gonna do anything? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can. Inside. Because. Oh, excuse me. I want to do that.
Can't do that.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I know I'm. And it's very adjustable. Very adjustable. I should have put more egg. Excuse me. Thank you. What did you eat? I missed it. You see you crow. Can you go live when you... Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Now, you guys, I'm gonna go to the Thank you. Today, hope you guys have a. It's the Barbie cup. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, excuse me. I passed. I did this shit in like an hour. Because the beans, you just.
You're putting my shit in?
Yeah. Like that? How's your healthy journey going? I lost